Said Chitembwe akinyite mbere ya komishoni ino rita ria keri thutha wake kwaga kuhituka gikiro-ini kia munene wa ruhonge rwa igoti ari na witikio ati ugi wake wa miaka 29 ruhonge-ini rwa igoti ni uguteithiriria kurehe mogaruruku igoti-ini itugiru.
And I will work very hard to ensure that we hear those cases real time as they are filed. If it's an election petition, that one it's controlled by statutory provisions. But if it's any ordinary case, we have to hear it as fast as we can.
Chitembwe uria ureganite na itua ria gukanja moimirira ma githurano kia mwaka wa 2017 augite he bata acirithania othe mugwanja makaheana itua riao kiumbe niguo akenya magataũkwo wega matua ma bata ma igoti itugiru.
There is that need of giving way and relooking into your position, also relooking into each other's positions, so that by the end of the day you also understand where the others stand.
Your Honor, now I will request Honorable Judge Wasame to ask his questions.
Judge, I wish you well. I have no questions for you.
No. You must ask one or two, please. You and me, make this place happy. Why would you want to back out?
Mwena-ini wake mucirithania Marete Njagi uria ucokete giikaro-ini giki rita ria keri etikitie kuongerera namba ya acirithania igoti itugiru kuma 7 nginya 9 niguo guteithiriria kuhiuhia mutaratara wa gukinyira kihoto.
It makes a lot of sense. The situation we have now is impractical, if not impossible. It's a do or die situation. This is a very, very, very sensible, proposal that the Supreme Court firstly be improved by 2 other members or 2 other judges, and maybe in the future we can even move up to 11.
Oho Marete eranire wona yukia mweke uyu ekuhuthira ugi wake wa ihinda iraya kwagirithia mirutire ya wira ya aruti a wira ruhonge rwa igoti na kurehe anje ihingica iria igumeire igoti riri.
We've been in this game, the game of the law, and we've learned the ropes. So you will not be able to say that, we cannot say that because you've been your own boss, etc., you are not superb or fit for this kind of a position. When you have the know-how, when you have the exposure.
Muthenya wa keri mucirithania Nduma Nderi na Dagitari Patrick Lumumba nio makagianagia thina JSC. Ngirifotra Inoro TV, Jita Wagathoni, Wajihia.